Rainy day in Nashville. It's a good Friday to be working outside. And I want to show you today what we did in between the containers. We wanted to create a courtyard in between. And we built this deck. It's very elegant, high durability, because what we're using here is called Trex, which is a composite material. It's made out of plastic and some other resins. And it's weatherproof. You don't have to maintain it. You don't have to do anything to it. I want to show you the way it looks in between because it's really elegant. They also created the grains on the wood to give it more character. And the way we install it is with clips in between. I don't know if you can see them. It's clips that you screw down in between. There's a groove on the edge, and the clip holds them down together as you screw them down. But look at this. This is a really elegant look. And it kind of goes with the flow of the colors and the textures on the materials we're using. There's nothing better than elegance, especially in construction. And I feel that that's what we're accomplishing here. So far we're standing still inside. We haven't got our stone. We haven't got our fixtures or faucets or sinks, but it's not stopping us from doing anything outside. So far this is the filling on the courtyard. We have a 8 feet high by 40 feet wide space for your own container. So this will be your patio, your deck, your, call it whatever you want to call it, in between the units. Right now it's raining, and as you can see, it's pretty dry in between. Hear that? It's beauty. And inside, won't dry, very quiet. Very, very quiet. Protected from the elements. In a really elegant space. Hope you guys like it. We do.